You ever see a tool so smart it makes you want to rebuild your entire workshop? Welcome to Adept Tools, where we showcase the coolest, craziest, and most mind-blowing gadgets for makers and woodworkers. Today, we're diving into some insane woodworking tools you have to see to believe. Let's jump right in. Screws sticking out, cracked wood, and messy holes can instantly ruin an otherwise perfect project. The EZARC Countersink drill bit set fixes it all by drilling the pilot hole, countersinking the screw, and cutting a clean plug in one insanely smooth motion. With precision depth control and ultra-sharp bits, every screw sits perfectly flush, giving your work that game-changing professional finish once you try this. Ever spend hours sanding wood edges, but they still look rough and uneven? This tiny Jorgensen mini wood planer slices off ultra-thin layers with an insanely sharp steel blade, while the adjustable depth knob lets you control every cut with precision. The solid iron body glides smoothly across the surface, instantly turning rough wood into clean professional edges that feel completely game-changing for DIY builds. Once you try this, you'll never again fight messy wood. Crooked dowel holes and misaligned wood joints can ruin hours of hard work in seconds. The Oscil self-centering dowel jig instantly fixes that by perfectly aligning your drill so every hole lands exactly where it should. Its solid aluminum body and precision steel bushings guide the bit straight through thick boards, giving you insanely clean, balanced joints that feel truly game-changing once you try this. Rough cuts, shaky control, and poor visibility can turn a simple wood project into a frustrating mess. The DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jig Saw fixes that instantly with a powerful brushless motor, bright LED lighting, and precision speed control that lets you glide through wood with insane control. Suddenly, every curve looks cleaner, every project feels faster, and the results look truly game-changing. Cutting insulation with a regular saw is a nightmare with messy edges, flying debris, and blades that get stuck every few seconds. The folding insulation handsaw fixes that instantly with razor-sharp wavy teeth designed to glide smoothly through foam, mineral wool, and fiberglass without shredding the material. The insanely sharp blade and comfortable grip make every slice faster, cleaner, and so satisfying you will never struggle with insulation cutting again. Trying to find the exact center of a board with a ruler usually turns into crooked lines, wasted wood, and frustrating guesswork. The Milescraft 8408 Center Finder fixes that instantly by locking your pencil perfectly in the center so you can mark precise lines across any board in seconds. Adjustable offsets, built-in pencil storage, and insanely simple design make every measurement faster, cleaner, and completely game-changing once you try this. Moving heavy workshop tools is exhausting, and once they are in place, you never want to move them again. The Bora Universal Mobile Base with swivel castor wheels instantly fixes that by turning your table saw or workbench into a smooth rolling machine, you can reposition in seconds. With insane 400-pound support, silky swivel wheels, and a rock-solid locking system, your entire workspace suddenly becomes faster, cleaner, and incredibly flexible. Struggling to make narrow, precise cuts on your table saw often ends with wasted wood and shaky edges. The Saker Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide instantly solves this by locking your workpiece in place and guiding your saw for perfect, repeatable strips every time. With insanely precise measurements, smooth adjustments, and rock-solid stability, your cuts become cleaner, faster, and completely game-changing for any woodworking project. Keeping wood perfectly aligned while gluing is a constant struggle that slows down every project. The HORUSDY 8-pack bar clamps instantly takes the stress out by gripping boards with insane 150-pound force and adjustable, quick-release precision. Strong, smooth, and insanely reliable, these clamps turn frustrating setups into fast, flawless joints that make every project feel next level. Messing up holes because your drill won't stay straight is one of the most frustrating parts of woodworking. The Milescraft 1318 DrillMate Portable Drilling Guide instantly turns any drill into a precise, portable drill press, locking your angle perfectly every time. With insane accuracy, multiple angle settings, and quick setup, your drilling becomes faster, cleaner, and completely game-changing for every woodworking project. Trying to hold boards perfectly at a 90-degree angle with just your hands always leads to crooked corners and wasted time. The WETOLS corner clamp instantly locks your wood in place with insane spring tension, keeping every corner straight while you screw, glue, or nail. Lightweight, adjustable, and operable with one hand, it makes every frame, cabinet, or DIY project faster, cleaner, and completely game-changing. Uneven or rough wood edges can make even the simplest project look sloppy and unfinished. The Saker Chamfer plane instantly trims, shapes, and smooths every corner with insane precision using its multiple sharp blades and adjustable depth. Portable, easy to handle, and incredibly efficient, it turns frustrating edge work into fast, flawless results that feel completely game-changing for any woodworking project. Wasting time trying to eyeball angles always ruins your flow and precision. The Klein Tools 935 DAG digital level instantly locks in insane accuracy from 0 to 180 degrees and grips any metal surface for hands-free stability. Smooth, reliable, and insanely easy to read, it turns frustrating measurements into flawless setups and makes every project feel next level. Trying to push wood through a spinning saw blade without risking your fingers is nerve-wracking and dangerous. The Milescraft 3404 PushStick instantly keeps your hands far from danger with its insane tall, angled handle and non-slip TPE base for total control. Bright, easy to grab, and ridiculously safe, it turns every cut into a smoother, faster, and completely game-changing woodworking experience. Wrestling with boards that slide around while you sand or route is one of the most frustrating parts of woodworking. The Rockler Workbench Cookies Plus instantly locks your panels in place with insane grip, lifting them just enough to protect edges and let you work freely. With no clamps needed, full access to every side, and effortless setup, every cut, sand, or route becomes smoother, faster, and totally game-changing. Rough edges, tight curves, and tricky corners can turn sanding into a nightmare. The 187-piece sanding drum kit instantly transforms your drill into an insane, precision sanding powerhouse with rubber drums and multiple grit sleeves ready for wood, metal, or plastic. Fast, versatile, and shockingly smooth, it makes every surface perfect, every project effortless, and your craftsmanship feel totally game-changing. Boards that shift mid-cut or wobble under your tools can ruin hours of work. The Festool Quick Clamp locks your pieces instantly with insane precision, gliding into MFD tables or guide rails for limitless setups. Every cut, sand, and route becomes smoother, faster, and completely game-changing for your workshop. Messy glue bottles, drips, and uneven application can turn woodworking into a frustrating chore. The Milescraft Glue Mate instantly delivers glue with insane precision, featuring anti-drip tips, dowel and biscuit nozzles, and a multi-chamber design for smooth, controlled flow at any angle. Clean, fast, and ridiculously easy to use, it makes every joint perfect, every project effortless, and your woodworking completely next level. Fighting with misaligned joints and screws that won't hold can ruin your build. The Kreg R3 Jr. Pocket hole jig locks your pieces in place and drills perfect angled holes instantly, with adjustable sliders for boards from 1/2 to 1.5. Every connection becomes tighter, every project smoother, and your woodworking workflow suddenly feels game-changing. Tired of uneven edges and messy grooves ruining your woodworking projects? The TEENO Wood Router delivers 800 W of raw power with 31,000 revolutions per minute, letting you trim, shape, and detail wood like a pro. With its precise depth control and ergonomic grip, every cut feels smooth, controlled, and insanely satisfying. Once you try this, woodworking will never be the same. That's a wrap on these insane woodworking tools that can totally transform your workshop. Which one blew your mind the most? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more game-changing gadgets, and we'll see you in the next one.